Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Carvana, and here we finally broke the previous all-time high recently before we started this tiny correction, and we no longer have to be careful around the idea that we have a 5-wave move to the downside that developed, and then we had a correction up that could be followed very easily with decently high probabilities to the downside in a following 5-wave move. So now we are looking from the all-time low and tracking in this area a 5-wave move to the upside mainly. That's what we are mainly looking for. Now clearly we are nowhere near having that complete. I would in fact say we still have quite a lot more moves to fulfill before we could even consider the third wave complete within this 5-wave move. And I would say that here we could have another 1-2 setup, and then I don't even think this sub third wave is complete, sub third wave division. I have to say we need to overall be mindful of the fact that this could develop differently. We don't have a large time frame 5-wave move to confirm that we are overall tracking a 5-wave move pattern to the upside. So this could very well develop in a way that this could be an A wave up, a B wave down, then we complete this C wave and we are done, and we could already retrace to quite deep levels. But the idea is that even though that is a possibility, I don't think we even are too close to completing this third wave to the upside, where we could have a small 1-2 setup here, maybe another 1-2. I'm not going to focus on those. I will focus on the fact that here this is a wave 1 up, this is wave 2 down, and then here we have another 1-2 setup, and here another 1-2 setup. And now I would actually consider that this could be our first third wave up. It could be without this additional 1-2, it could be incorporated within it, so this could be the third wave up. But the idea is that we can focus on one of two support zones here. So we could be looking here at the levels between $295.6 down to around $201.6, still quite far from the levels we are. Decently sized time frame, I would say, and it wouldn't cause us to change scenarios too much, but it is not entirely clear within this structure. It could be that this is the 1-2, and then this is the third wave, and then this would be the fourth, and then this the fifth. And in that case I would actually need to adjust the support zone down a bit. But what I am actually going to do is mark the first level of support for an optional level, let's say, and I'm going to focus on the lower boundaries of the idea of the support zone in this case, where we would then be tracking this as a 1, 2, 3, and then we would be looking for the fourth wave here to develop and then follow it in a fifth wave. Keep in mind we did already complete here in this area a 3-wave correction on the small time frame, could be an ABC, and we could still extend even within this third wave to the upside. So it is not yet confirmed that this fourth wave to the downside has actually started, and honestly I don't think we can confirm it anytime soon, because we actually broke what this would be, this B wave high in the case of an ABC. So we broke this high, and I can no longer look for a double 1-2 1-2 setup to follow. I don't have a 5-wave move to the downside either, so realistically we could push quite a lot further to the upside and then break down and still be all within this wave 4. Now what else is there to say? I could see the possibility that this wave 4 bottomed here and we had a very tiny retracement. It is somewhat common in strong trends and third waves to the upside basically, so this could be a realistic possibility. Nothing we can really do about that. We can track once the next movement is complete. If it succeeds to push to the upside, we can then track a correction, a larger correction, where it would really be more worth it to actually consider a trade in this case. But as you can see, for now, this support zone for this 3-4, so the support zone for this wave 4 extends down to 100 excuse me, and $68 level. And yeah, we are still quite far from it. We are looking for the next real big opportunity to enter, and that is about it. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.